Okay, we are adding a club successfully. Next we need to delete. Okay, let's delete a club. So delete club, this is also type of club type, and argument, it will have only one argument of id, and here in the place of GraphQL string will have GraphQL id. Okay, GraphQL id, this is also a asynchronous function. Club dot find by id and delete. The id will be args.id, and this will delete. Deleted club, copy this and return this deleted club. Deleted club, this should be await instead of new. We are not going to create another new club. Okay, add club, delete club. Let's try it out. Here I want to delete this Bayern Munich. Let me copy this, and mutation is saying a syntax error, some kind of syntax error it's giving. Let me fix that. Okay, we don't have any syntax error now. Mutation, delete club id, this is the id which we are going to delete, and we want to get back name, id name and leak. Okay, something went wrong. This id, actually this should be id dot args dot id. Okay, so let's try it once again. Reload this, and here it's been deleted. So let's see by query clubs get back name. You see all the club we have, but we shouldn't have Bayern Munich since we have deleted. Bayern Munich was in the second last position. Now it is replaced by Chelsea because we have deleted Bayern Munich.